I'm with the team at Ima now. In fact, not just the team, I'm with Tony. Tony, it's been what, a year since I last saw you?
Always. It seems like so regularly. Every 12 months we get to meet each other again.
It's just this lovely little catch-up we have here at PPMA.
And mostly every year we try and show something different. So this year we're doing quite a bit on Doi, and the Doi pouch seems to be very popular in different materials. So we've got two different versions of the Doi pouch. We've got the vertical machine here that can make a Doi pouch on its side, and we've got a horizontal machine that we launched at Interpack, but we're bringing over here in a few weeks to do a Doi open house, because a lot of people are looking at trying to reduce the bag-in box, etc., where you can reduce packaging. And with a Doi, you can have a stand-up packaging format that's shelf presence, but with a very small footprint. So you can get lots of your products on the shelf. What else we're doing here, if we can come this way, we're looking at a lot of our customers are asking us for a curbside recyclable packaging. And this is paper. Now paper, everybody says they can do it. Historically, it's been really difficult to flow wrap. And the reason being, it's got a memory. So as soon as you crease a paper, the crease stays there. You can never get the crease out. So what we've got here is a very special machine that can take the paper, and then we can come down this way with the machine. We can see that the geometry of the machine can actually change with a servo. So we can go from a plastic film to a paper film by giving it a very, very acute angle. All of the geometry is all servo driven. This is the only machine in the world that can do this. We've shown it Interpack first of all, but this is the first time it's been in the UK. There's only a very few of them. Actually, we've made them for only one customer so far. The geometry can change, and if we come down this way again, we've got a very special long folding box. As I said, you've got to keep the creases out. So it's a really gentle angle to keep the film right. And then underneath here, rather than just having heat sealing, because paper is an insulator, so we're actually using ultrasonic sealing systems, which again is state of the art. Ultrasonic sealing systems, and finally finishing up at the jaws. And the jaws is a very high pressure, high speed head. But what we've coupled with this, because everybody's focused on cost, is removing all the pneumatics. So we put servo drives in here, and they will actually, although they cost about £10,000 extra, they will actually save that money in less than 2 years because of the cost of air at the moment. Energy is so expensive in Western Europe, and the UK is the most expensive. That alone can save itself £10,000 every 2 years. It's amazing stuff. And then we end up with a very nice brown paper package.
And it seems like you said, cost saving. People are asking for these recyclable curbside recycling. Can't even get the word out.
Yes, exactly.
Curb recycling packaging as well. And the fact that you've managed to do that is sort of a win-win for everything, for costs, efficiency, and the environment.
Exactly that, and it's amazing how many customers are coming to us now looking for curbside recyclability, and that, as you say, that's got to be paper. Now, my own opinion is that plastic's better, but we haven't got the full cycle in the UK it's going to be chemical. What they're going to do in the end, they're going to have recycling centres where we take all the plastics out and we do a chemical change to get it back to its raw ingredients and then properly recycle it. But we're probably still a few years away. We're only building our first plant right now in the northeast, and we really need 50 of these plants to make it happen, properly. In the meantime, paper's the answer, because we can put it curbside. You don't have to go taking it down to the shops, and we all could do a little bit for the environment.
Yeah, I absolutely love that, and I just think for a company, this is just a win-win-win machine. And like you said, it's the only one in the world.
This is the only machine with a servo-driven adjustable geometry in the world, and it's been developed purely to address the more complex films and laminates that we're coming across these days. Because the film companies are doing their bit, the machine companies, we're trying to do our bit, everybody's doing a bit. And EMA's got a big, it's a big push at EMA on the conservation of the planet, of course.
No, it's brilliant. Well, thank you so much for taking us through this incredible piece of equipment. How's PPMA been this year for you?
It was not that we didn't have the numbers that we normally have, I don't think, but the quality of the leads were fantastic. We had some really interesting people coming along, and we've met people to talk to us about projects that we didn't know about, and that at the end of the day is what we want for the future. Give us some business.
Definitely, all about quality over quantity.
So they say.
So they say. Amazing. Tony, thank you so much for chatting to us.
Good to see
You too. I'll see you in 12 months. Same time, same place.
Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks.
Take care.